Hello guys, welcome to Technology TV Manipur. Today we are going to show you on how to make a tab page for Android apps or as well as for the iOS app using a Visual Studio 2019. So as you know that in Visual Studio 2019 we can develop uh, both the environment for Android app as well as iOS app. So let's go and see that how the layout can be designed. Now the most interesting features that we can design in mobile app is the tab layout. So it is very nice to see that, and we will show you how we can do it here. So use that mobile app as it is and then go for next. Here I'll just give as a demo demo tab page. Okay, so I'll just put a demo tab page, and okay, let me just have a separation. Okay, so we will open you can go and select the tab pages. This is a sample tab pages available. You can use it, or you can use it a blank tab, and then that also you can do it. Okay, so let's go with the blank. uh, that it is quite confusing with all this pre-program one, so let's go and blank and design ourselves. So okay, wait for some more times to settle down and create a new environment for you. So a new environment is created, and this is for Android as well as for iOS. So if you want to access any icons related things, that you can select it from the uh, website. You can go and find out your icon. There are so many icons are available. Okay, so that you can go and do that icon. So for example, I'll let me just see for icons, mobile apps. Okay, so there will be so many icons will be there that you can see for so many these all these icons you can download and utilize it in your see here, these are all touchscreen icons and all, no? So these icons can be utilized in your design. That's not an issue. So let's without waiting further, let's go and see that how we can make a tab page. So here we have a main page. So this main page I don't need right now, so let me delete this main page. And here it is this app page, so no problem. So here I am going to create a new folder, where in this folder I am going to what to say, a new folder, and in this folder I'm going to save all the pages that I'm going to access using a tab. Correct. So let's make it here as a pages. Okay, so inside these pages let's create a new item. So what are the item? The item is going to be a tab page, and then you can go and do the tab page, no problem. And here we can create a tab page, say tab page 1, so we can say as a home page. Fine, and add it. So I have a home page now. So in this home page, so this is the different tab which is available here, which we can do it around the content pages. There is no problem, so it will open its own content pages. Okay, and here is the code which we need to I'm sorry, I opened the wrong page. Here in this app we have a .cs file. Here it will be asking for main page. Right now I have deleted main page, so I have to put home page. Correct. I think this should not be a home page. Okay, oh, where is that? My keyboard is not working. What is it? Using demo tab pages. Okay, so we have to add that using demo tab pages, and then in the tab pages the main page is nothing but the new home page. So we got this one. Let me just see that how is our new home page look like. Well, it is building. So yeah, now it is downloaded. it takes time for the first time when we build. So now you got step 1, step 2, step 3. So when I'm going to different steps, so it's really happening or not, that you are not able to see. For that reasons, what we can do is that we will create in this home page, instead of having this content pages, okay, so we will create our own content pages. Fine, so let's delete this, I don't need it. Now we will have our own content pages like most of the pages. So I'll go and create a new item, and here I'll call it as a content pages. Okay, content page, and this page 1 I will call it as say something like setting. Okay, so I have a setting page, add it, and then I want to add one more page. For that I will be creating here as about us page. Okay, and then the next third page, you can create as many pages as you want. So normally in any app, so we will be having all these things set, like okay, info page. Okay, so we have an info page. Fine, so now add this also here. Now what happened is now we got it. Okay, info page was not found. How is it done? So now all the pages has been created. So let's see that this is about us. So I'll just type here about us, welcome to about us. And if we want to display these things in the center for time being, so that I don't want to make any changes, so this is one way. Then the info page, so I want to just put here also welcome to info page. This also will be in the center to just display. And this one also I want to create it to welcome to setting page. Okay, this is just to show you that all these pages are navigating, and I want to show you that one. So for each pages, for this one also we want to set an icon. Instead of representing by text, representing by an icon, it looks better. So like something I want to show you that in here you can see this picture here. I think you cannot be zoom in here. So this here, instead of word, no, usually in the app design they will be representing by icon like this. So in order to have an icon something like that, so what we can do is I will okay download some few icons. So maybe that is, I have a setting okay, setting icon, a setting vector icon. So I'll just search for a setting vector icon, and I do have. So this is one vector icon which is okay, but it is very, size is very big. This we need to okay, the settings png, and what happened is this, I need to reduce the size in a different way. So what happened is there should be large size, medium size, and like that it will be there. So I will show you that whenever we make a here in say Android pages, you will be having some assets resources. From here the icons will be coming here. So something like you saw here, drawable folder will have a smaller icon, and this HD will be having a bigger icon. This will be a medium icon, and this will be extra large icon. Okay, so icon with extra large and double extra large, and this is a very big large icon. So these are the different settings we need to do it for every icon we made. So we have to make the changes for different things. So we have to create a folder name called here drawable minus, and it should be like say HDPI. Okay, so this is one, and then I need to create one more folder name drawable. Okay, 1 second, drawable. Okay, minus, and this will be XH XHDPI. So this is for X large, and then I need to create one more extra large. So this will be drawable, okay, minus, and this will be double X HDPI. So why we are doing this settings is because if we have the icon for a smaller one and bigger one, so depending upon the size of the mobile platform, so some mobiles will be having a wide screen and some mobile will be having a smaller screen. So for smaller screen they will access the icon from drawable, and the big screen will access from here. So this is by default in the runtime it will take place. So I need to add the last folder name, that is drawable. Okay, triple X HDPI. Okay, this is done. Now similarly, for this is for Android resources, even for iOS also there have resources, but in iOS what happen is the definition is totally different. Here we will not be defining in a different folder. Inside this we will name in a different ways, and how to name that icon useful for the iOS also I will show it to you in the next one. So let's go and download a few items from the internet. Okay, so this is one settings file. What do I have? I have to go for one is about us. I do have a home page, that is okay, and then info page and setting page. So about us and info page I need to download two more icons. So like for any info icon, how do it look like? So info icons will be looking like this. So let's go and see this info icon. Okay, it should be a vector icon. So this vector is also looking good, no problem. Vectors usually with a plain background is good, so we can go this one. So save as okay, so we will do this one is for, I will just name it as info vector. Okay, now this is one. Then I want to go for another one, sorry, that is about us. So for about us vector, how to like, so about us you can do with something like this. So any vector is there for that, single vector. Okay, about us is also you can give any kind of this code, this also fine. 1 second, this icon looks good, no problem, we can proceed with this icon itself. Okay, so this icon I will save it, save as this I'm going to name it as about us. Okay, now the fun is we have to go to each of this file, and then we are going to open this one in Photoshop, because this background is a plain background. So I need to make them for different folders. So let's do it fast. Okay guys, so we have completed making of icons. Now it's very difficult and pain for making all these icons. So who knows, a very big Android app developing team should be there, no, for developing all these icons, making suitable for everyone. Anyway, we have done it. So now what I will do is I'll just place it all this icon into this one place. So you just see here all these icons of a different shape and sizes. So now what we can do is we just copy all these things. Okay, once copy, and then we come to our this is for iOS, so I'll go to iOS resources, and here in these resources you just paste it. Okay, so everything comes here for the resources, and this is for iOS. Now for the Android I have to copy one by one. So what I can do is I'll just go to my folder here. So I'll just create it. I have to go each and every folder here. So what I have to do is I can go to this, the double XL first, triple XL, paste it. Okay, I'll do it fast. Done. So all the icon has been came here. So now what we can do is we don't need this supplementary page right now. So I'll go to my the main page. So where is my main page? The home page. Here in this home page I'm going to add all these pages one by one. Okay, so let's go and see that. So now we are going to add all these pages into this tab pages of the home page. So our home page will be the main page, correct? So this about us page, info page, and setting page will be added accordingly. So for that what we are going to do is type here it will be say about, I'll just add first about us page. Okay, so the spelling is about us, and the title, okay, equal to title equal to say it's about us, and okay, here it is not a so this should be starting with pages. Okay, so okay, it should be about us page. Easy. Okay, so it's asking for this one. So this namespace correction is asking because I have a resharper, so you have to install your own resharper. Okay, so I just click here, it will add the resharper here. Okay, so this is for the namespace correction, so it is corrected now here. So with this I have to go for icon. Icon is saying icon is absolute, so we have to use icon image source. So I have to type here image source, 1 second, icon image source, this one. So if I select this will be the icon, this will be taken directly from the icon source. So similarly I have to write for all the pages, and this time I will add this info page. For info page again, title I need to go title as info, and the icon images as info vector, correct? So I'll be info vector, b is capital, vector dot png here. So that's how it will work. Then again page pages. Now the last page is setting page. So this setting page the same way, title, setting, and for icon image as you can type setting I have settings.png. So settings.png. Fine. So now I have added all of them. Fine, save it. Now these pages we can run it in our emulator. Let's see that how it responds. Okay, so now you can see this, that the title is also visible, as well as the info settings, they even it is saved. So if you don't want to see this info, then what you can do is you can you want to see only the icon, then you can remove this title. Okay, and I'll just remove this title and rerun the whole thing again. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so you can see like this. So you can see here info page, and this is setting page. So like this you can tap to the pages without even the title. Also you can work with that. This looks very good, but this is by default for all the Android phones will be visible like this, and for the default for iOS phone this will be visible down. But in case if you want to see this menu in the bottom for Android phone also, then we need to have some changes in the uh, uh, here in the tab modification, that we will go and see here how the Xamarin form has to be modified. So here I in the Xamarin I got one solution, and that solution directly I will do the copy and paste. Here it is saying that we need to explain that the tab paste dot toolbar should be given to the bottom. So this is the whole line which you need to add into that your code here. So I will add somewhere here. So what I'll do is I'll just add. Okay, so now so as we have discussed that this is only effect for Android phone, so it is not for iOS. For iOS by default it will be in the bottom, so you want to assign it in the bottom, so you can use for Android. So likewise that we will just run it and check in our emulator that whether that it is coming in the bottom or not. Let's see that. Wait for it. Yeah, it's perfectly good. So you can see that from the bottom you can see that. So just like iPhone view, so you can have it the same look as it is. So this is how the page can be, and then you can design your own page. So you can go to so each and every page that in about us page, so how do you want to lay out the page and what you want to put it there, that all those things can be done here. And moreover in the home page, if you want to have a login in the home page, and then you want to have a dedicated home page, and then from that home page you want to move and navigate to a different page, all those things will be done in the next class. Thank you guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe the video and share, and thank you. Have a nice time.